We are A2 Virtual Reality. We create amazing visualization and analysis of infra projects. Be it highways, railways, urban land development, we provide realistic visualization for planning and presentation purposes. We create visualization for upcoming highway projects. Our models are truly based on engineering data. We create terrain models from GIS data. Our visualizations showcase highway components like intersections, ramps, interchanges, exits, various types of bridges and their components, tunnels, road signage, street furniture, and all other element details. Our visualizations also cover roadside amenities and services like toll plaza. We create GIS database 3D models. We create 3D models for existing cities and provide shadows analysis. We provide various other analyses like pollution analysis, topography analysis, drainage analysis, we also create visualizations for upcoming railway projects. And renewable energy projects.